cares? I can't go and buy one ball of yarn just because of this hair. I mean, nasikia kama blanketi, shida ni ninyeshewe. I'll be a walking wet blanket. My goodness. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam and I do lots of DIYs and random videos. Today is gonna be a hair video. I'm panting. I'm out of breath. Nimepanda stairs. Now overdue. Anyway, so today I want to do my hair. I want to do some yarn twists on my hair. I wanted to make my hair, so I washed my hair yesterday. I'm just from the shop from getting yarn and a lighter because I'll need to band like the ends. So I bought a pack of this. So depending on where you are or where you're buying it from, is going to be about 480 Kenyan shillings to 600. Yeah, that's the range for a whole pack of this. So I don't know how much I'm going to need, because I'm going to do two of them, but for the center, like I really have like thick locks at the center of my head, so I think at the center I will do like one lock, and then for the sides I can get away with doing 2 locks because I want the twists to be chunky. Yes, so yes, let's get into it. So this is my yarn. I am doing close to 60 as one strand because I want the length to be 30, and as you know, we'll have to fold here, so that this is the point where we are going to start twisting the center. So the length of the braids or of the twist will be 30 centimeters, but since I want to cut it, I have to cut a long strip of 60 inches. Did I mention any other thing? Okay, let's cut. So this is what one ball of yarn has been able to give me. So I am going to like pick about 12 to 15 strands of this, like 1, 2, like counting 1, 2, 3, about 12 to 15 strands, depending on the thickness of the lock. Yes. So it has been less than an hour. I have finished the first yarn, and this is how far I have been able to go. Let me focus. Yeah, so that's how far I've been able to go. I eat Then we continue. Updates, guys, it's like 11:45. I'm just up and down, I'm on calls, I'm doing stuff, I don't know, but so far I have used three packs, because I've just cut the fourth one. This is the third pack, and this is where the 3 packs have gotten me to. And just remember that mine are thick and kind of long, so hey, it's painful though. So let me just do the rest, and then I'll show you like 2 at the front here, right? Okay. Hi guys, morning. Okay, I don't know what time you're watching this, but okay. So yesterday I finished my twists. I'm just going to show you how it looks in a few, but you know what happened? Imagine the yarn was enough until these last 2, but I was saving it for the tutorial part. So I decided to use the blue one that I have anyway. Okay, as I can't go and buy one ball of yarn just because of this hair. So I decided, let me mix the color. So this is what I was doing. Okay, just grab the hair and I put this at the back. And twist and twist. Just try to hide your locks inside the yarn. So after I am done, I feel like it's not so heavy. It is okay. I'm not used to I've not braided. No, I'm not used to. Okay, I've not braided my hair for the past 1 year, so like, of course I can feel the weight, but it is not so much. Yes, it is bulky. I like bulky hair. It is bulky and light, so I don't feel like it's a problem for me. Yes, nasikia kama blanketi, shida ni ninyeshewe. I'll be a walking wet blanket. My goodness. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked how my hair turned out. So I'm just going to lay my 2 edges kidogo and then go to work because I'm so late. I slept at 2 yesterday and it's about 9:30 or 10. So let me just go to work. See you in my next video. Bye.